to teachingchildrenaboutmoney.com. Hi, I'm Amanda Gulik, and it is my sincerest pleasure to meet you. So thank you for taking the time to come here. I have some incredible gifts to share with you. So who am I? Well, I'm a homeschooling mompreneur. I've had experience in being an entrepreneur. I invest in rental real estate, and I've built a website helping cake decorators be inspired to decorate the most marvelous cake masterpieces you can consider. But a part of me always wanted to help children, and one of the reasons I do that is because I want to make sure that once they leave the nest, they have the financial savvy to really succeed in life, and to succeed not just getting a job that they hate to pay bills, but succeed by doing what they love and creating an income from it. So that's one of my personal reasons. Now, what else can I tell you about myself? I've been around children my entire life. I've tutored children like crazy. I've been a teacher assistant for years and years. I just always wanted to empower our children and our teens to go after their goals and enjoy their life doing what they love to do. Because of my entrepreneurial background, I understood a little bit about how money works and how you can make money work for you. And I thought, well, the best way I could really empower kids is to put those two together. So that's exactly what I did. I created this whole course teaching children about money to help parents to teach their children about money. What I'm going to do for you is I'm actually going to give you parts of the course as a complete gift from me to help you along this journey of continuing the financial education for your children. Now, I've been featured on shows like Disney, and it's been an incredible journey learning how to teach the children in such a way that it's fun and it's exciting and that they stay motivated and wanting to keep learning. So let's have a quick look at the gifts that I've got in store for you. The first thing that I want you to do when you get into your gift area is open up this quiz and take this quiz. This How Money Savvy Is My Child quiz will actually help you to understand where your child or your teen is at right now. And then, after you've gone through the other 6 gifts, come back to this quiz and take it again and see how much your child has improved. And I'm sure you will be pleasantly surprised. All right, so now the first thing, we want to get your children and your teenagers especially excited to learn about money. Money can often be considered sort of like a boring topic. And we want to make it so that it's really exciting and fun so that your children will do whatever they can to make sure they really understand it so that they'll follow their dreams and their passions. So I put together a special goal setting for families workbook just for you. It'll create this incredible bond with your child, and your child will be able to find something that is really special and important to them to make them motivated to continue the learning process so they achieve the goal. So go through this first. Next in line, I always have parents asking me, okay, so I want to teach my child about money. Should I give them an allowance so they have some money to work with? And my initial response was always, no, don't do that. Help them to find ways they can earn their own money, because I just know how much of an incredible feeling it is for children, teens, for us, when we earn our own income and get our own goals from our own efforts. It's amazing. But I also realized that's not going to work for every family. So what I actually did is I went out and I found the top 25 entrepreneurs, kids and money experts, and family life coaches, and I asked them each to donate their own opinion on whether or not to give a child an allowance. And they did, and they gave me back so much more than I ever asked for. So it is chock full of tips and advice and resources and tools. You are going to love it. And it is set up in such a way that once you're finished going through the book, you will have decided for yourself whether or not to give your child an allowance, and you'll feel confident in your decision. Okay, so now the next gift, whether or not you're going to give your child an allowance, doesn't matter. We want to encourage the children to find ways to earn their own money, because it really does build their self-esteem like nothing else. So I put together a special ebook for your child or your teenager with over 50 money-making ideas for kids that are really fun and just take their passions and create an income out of it. So go through that with your child or your teenager and see what is, going to be really interesting and fun for them. And then once they actually have money coming in, have them watch the cartoon I put together, The 6 Magical Piggy Banks. In this cartoon, I go over a special money management system that actually helps their money work hard for them so they don't have to work hard for money for the rest of their life, all right? This is key. And then for yourself, I put together a special video lesson that teaches you the foundation behind the 6 magical piggy banks and why they work and how to teach the system to your children. So please enjoy that as well. And then we want to keep your children motivated, excited, thinking positive, healthy, wealthy thoughts. And so I put together 2 mind movies, one for children and one for teenagers. And a mind movie is a moving vision board. I don't know if you've ever heard of a vision board. A vision board is where you take your goals and you find pictures and you write words and you post it all over your walls to remind yourself of your goals. So what I've done is I've actually created 2 vision boards, and then I've made them move. I've put subliminal messaging in there to help them really understand that abundance, success is coming their way. It is part of their normal life. And your children will love them. I get so many comments from children and teenagers just saying how much they love their mind movies. So it's a short mind movie, the length of 1 song, and you just have them watch it once a day, either first thing in the morning or last thing at night before they go to bed, so that their mind gets into this healthy habit of being consciously abundant in their thoughts. Anyways, that's what I put together for you. I hope you enjoy them. It's really simple. Just click on the link below. You'll be sent to the members area where you can type in your details, and then you'll get access to the members only section, which is where all of your gifts are. And they're all electronic. There's nothing to be sent to you in the mail. It's all immediately accessible for you. There's downloadable workbooks. There's downloadable ebooks. There's videos that you can watch in the members area. And then there's the quiz software as well. So I hope you sincerely enjoy it. I can't wait to hear back from you on the successes that you have. And it is my sincere pleasure. If you need my help at any time, feel free to email me. All of my contact details are in the members area. So enjoy, and thank you so much. And go get your gifts.